If you watched my video from yesterday, I have to apologize for that one. I was down in the dumps. Oh my God, you just don't even know. Well, I'm chuckling out here a little bit today. I have come in my YouTube feed. I got sent a video earlier that is 19 minutes and 16 seconds long, and the guy's washing his truck. Yes, that's true. For 19 minutes and 16 seconds, he's cleaning his truck. He's vacuuming his truck. He's washing the mats. And then get this now. Posted 20 hours ago, or 21 hours ago now, and it shows that he's had 3,306 views on a video of vacuuming his truck. This is what I've been trying to tell you guys. This is not hard to do. He's got a good following, though. He's got some subscribers. He's been doing this for a while. The thing I have found out about this young man is he's consistent as hell. I swear. He posts everything in the world he can post. Every day, something. He does Instacart. He's out doing that. He's filming himself doing what he does every day. I saw a video a couple of days ago where he's working at Walmart, doing what I said I tried to get a job doing. Just going out and getting the damn carts in out of the parking lot. Right now, I ain't even watched it all. I'm 5 minutes into it. I just stopped. And I said, I gotta say something about this. Think about that. A 19-minute video, and all he's doing is washing his truck at the car wash. You ride through with him at the car wash. He takes it over to another place. He gets his change out of the coin thing and puts it in to do his vacuuming and takes out all of his. That's what he's filming. He's filming what he does every day. What I've been trying to say. And already in 21 hours, he has over 3,300 views on that one video. That's what I'm trying to scream out here is you just have to be consistent. Just keep posting. Keep doing your daily vlog or whatever you're doing. If you're doing the faceless, keep posting every day. Those are easy to do, by the way. Just keep posting and keep posting and keep posting. This kid, let me pull up some more information on him here. Well, he started this channel in 2019. So he's been at it for a minute, all right? But on this channel, where all he does is talk about what he does every day, he's already got 5,421,000 views in 6 years. That's pretty awesome. And like I say, I'm watching or pulled up a video, or it was sent to me to watch, and all it does is show him cleaning his truck. Other things on here. Let's see what else he's got on here. Videos. Let's go to videos. His most popular video. Let's see how many views he's got on his 4 years ago. 4 years ago, he's got a video that's up from 4 years ago, and it's just no thumbnail hardly at all to it. But he's already had 1 million views on a video he posted 4 years ago. And that was a hickey on the net challenge thing. He got 1 million views on it. Unbelievable. It shows that his most popular videos, and the ones that's really kicking butt here, are within the last year. Yeah, last year. He's got some on here, 60,000 views, 64,000 views 10 months ago. So here in the last, it took a minute for this guy's channel to kick off, to get going. And I told you, this is going to take some time. That's why if you're in your 40s or 50s, 30s and 40s or 50s, get on this now. Give yourself that 6-year window that took this young man, because he's definitely making money. He's making some good money right now, and all he's doing is posting a video 21 hours ago of him washing his truck, vacuuming his truck, cleaning his carpet, I mean, come on. This is what I've been out here screaming for a while. If you've got a channel and you have 6 years ago started a channel and you've gotten you know, barely 100, 200 subscribers. You've got maybe 100 videos up in this period of time, but you didn't stay consistent. What I mean by consistent, you need to be post. I had a comment last night from a gentleman uh, that was really good. I went and looked at his stuff. He's got a successful channel. He's making some money on it and everything. And his question or big thing was he posts once a week. He had a hard time understanding how I was able to come up with content to keep going every day, every day, every day. It's because I see stuff like this. I see encouragement from just plain ordinary people out here that did what? They stayed consistent. 100 videos, 200 videos, and you've been on here for 6 years, you didn't stay consistent. You haven't pursued it. And finding content is not that hard to do. You can find content every day. I find content in just the normal things I see out here in life. But it's comments like that gentleman from yesterday, and how you doing? He knows who I'm talking about because I did respond to him. And I told him, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is the ease that YouTube has made it for us out here right now. Just be consistent. Don't give up. I mean, if I was to give you the stats, I did a review a few days back on 15 days. I did the 30-day, and then I was so surprised by what had happened in 15 more days. I did a little review. In just a couple of days from that video till now on this channel has just, come on. And it's just doing the same thing that this young man has done for 6 years now. He's posted everything that's going on in his day life. It changes. Looking for an apartment, looking for a new vehicle, looking for a new job. He's gone through that. I have looked at some of his stuff, and that's all he's been talking about is things that goes on in his life on a daily basis. And when I found this one, the one he's just posted about cleaning his truck, vacuuming his truck for 19 minutes and 32 seconds, whatever it was, 19 minutes and 32 seconds long, and he's monetized. This guy's making a decent lick. I've looked at some of his stats on some of the stuff now that I've looked at it, but this video here really tickled me. He's making a good $10,000 to $20,000 a month right now on what he's got. He has 639 videos in 6 years. He has 69,000 subscribers. He's making money. And all he's doing is exactly what I've been trying to scream out here. If you can't figure out what you want to do on the faceless stuff, pick up your phone, turn it sideways, click on 180, let us know what you do every day. What happened to you today? And he's been doing, I see some of his videos are well over 20 minutes long. I mean, he's not doing like some of mine on here, most of mine on here are 12 to 15, I guess it is. I do have a couple of 20s, but he's doing 20 plus minute videos and he's rocking it. He's killing it. And all he's doing is just filming what he does. I mean, the one he did at Walmart where he was going out and collecting the buggies and everything. He had his phone with him and he's just holding it up and talking about how much he hates that job, like I was doing yesterday, how much I hate Uber. He's just sitting there telling you how much he don't like it. And he's making money. All right. Yes, there's people out here screaming, this is hard, you can't do it. Well, those are the people who are not being consistent. Straight up. If you're not, to have a channel up for 6 years, 7 years, and you only got, that many subscribers, you're not doing the right thing. You didn't stay consistent. You lost the fire. You lost the to want to get out and do something with it. That is the challenge out here, is staying with the fire, keeping the fire burning in here, that you want to do something, that you want to make it. You're not just doing it as a whim just to say, okay, hey, I'm just going to throw out some videos. Everyone's going to see me. If that's the kind of attitude you have, then you might not want to make it on YouTube. You might not make it on YouTube because a lot of those, and I told you the other day, what was the stat? Out of 2/3 of all the videos, and this is a YouTube stat, 2/3 of all videos ever posted on YouTube ever get 100 views. Only 2/3. All right. So that's something to work towards. You can get your views if you keep posting. You just got to stay consistent and persistent. I've said this so many times. God, just stay at it. That's all you got to do if you're really wanting to do a channel or make your channel go somewhere. Just don't give up. And you can find the content. Your content happens around you all the time. You just got to be looking for it. I get a lot of my inspiration from watching other people on YouTube and what they're screwing up or what they're doing to make it work. And that gives me something to talk about to you guys. And I also get inspiration from my faceless stuff that I'm doing and the little tricks I'm learning doing that. And I've learned most of my tricks, though, honestly, doing YouTube right here doing this face thing. This has taught me more about YouTube than I would probably ever learn if I'd just done faceless. This has been a real treat, a real hoot. And I'm enjoying it. I really am. Yesterday, I was down in the dumps. I was having a rough day. And I'm sorry about that if I brought anybody down, but it was one of those moments you get up and everything's kicking you in the teeth. And I have those days from time to time. And yeah, this has gotten to be, though, my real fun part of the day is looking for stuff like this right here. When I see stuff like this is what gives me encouragement. This gives me the want to get up and get out there and do something. It's because when I see people like this that started 6 years ago, I've looked at some channels, guys, I've seen some of your stuff, and to see someone 6 years now that has stayed so consistent that they are now making big money. They're making good money. They're doing this the right way because they stayed at it. They didn't give up. They didn't listen to the people out there saying, oh, you're never going to make it. No, that's just too hard to do. They didn't listen. They said, I'm going to do it. They went and did it, and they kept it going. They just didn't give up on it. All right? So if you're one of those guys out there that's got, you started this 6, 7, 8 years ago, 10 years ago, and you've got 100 and something videos up, and you haven't really posted a whole lot. You've been doing them maybe once every couple months and stuff like that just to keep the channel active. You may want to just rethink your strategy here and figure out a way that you can create more time so that you can actually start doing more videos and just start posting and just start posting and start posting. Some of my videos only get a few, don't get the number of views. I got a video on here on my channel right now that's got 300 and some odd views. It's way outpacing everything else. I've got quite a few in the hundreds. So I've got some in the 90s and the 80s. They aren't that old, but they're going to still continue to grow. All right. Once I've told you, grab this piece of YouTube real estate. All right. Why it's available and easy to do like this. Grab you a piece of this real estate. It can only grow for you. Okay. If you can stay consistent, it can only grow for you. If you give up on it, it ain't going to do crap for you. But if you stay consistent and stay persistent and work at it, and it's easy to work at. It's not hard. It's not a hard job. Oh my God. You spend 15, 20 minutes a day and you can do a video a day. You spend a couple hours and you can knock out a couple of them. So that's what you got to do. If you want to do this, do like this young man did right here. 6 years ago, he's got 639 videos up. So he's not doing one a day. He's been spreading them out a little bit, but he's got a number of videos up and he stayed on top of it. He's got 69,000 subscribers. And like I say, in the last year, it's what it took. It's where he really took off. He was making money before that, but in the last year, it looks like because he stayed so consistent, that's why it took off for him. And that's what you got to do. You can't just throw them up and say, okay, here they come. No. The more you post, the more views you're going to get. The more you post, the more subscribers you're going to get. The more you post, the more this is going to work for you. So if you get an idea that you want to do this, don't just give up on it. Say, I'm going to dedicate some time to it. I dedicated 30 days when I started this. That's what I wanted to see. Well, my 30 days blew me up. It blew me out of the water. I couldn't believe what I got in 30 days. So what did I do? Okay, I've dedicated to another 30 days, and I'm going to dedicate to another 30 days. I'm dedicating myself to a year of this to see what happens. All right. That's my goal. For a year, I'm going to post as consistently as I can on this channel. The other ones I'm definitely going to be posting on. I got faceless channels I've told you about. But this channel right here, for a year, I'm posting as much as I can. When I'm down, I'm going to post. When I'm up, I'm going to post. When things are just going sideways, I'm going to post. So stay with me. Let's see how this little test channel goes, because this is totally a test for me. This is a test to see if this content, consistent content, works. And that's what I'm going for. I'm going to follow this young man's example right here, and I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. All right. Guys, you have a great afternoon. I've talked a little bit too long today. I've talked over 15 minutes. What's going on here? Guess I got a little excited when I saw this video of him posting about him washing his truck. Don't get no simpler than that, guys. All right. Daddy-O out. Come back and see me. Hey, listen, if you're still hanging with me, if you have a channel, say yes. If you don't have a channel, say no in the comments. And if you're thinking about it, just say maybe. That just kind of lets me know who I'm talking to out here. But today I had to express my opinion on this video. I'm in the process. I'm halfway through it. I knew about this kid before, but one of his videos popped up on me, and I saw what it was about. I said, I got to go watch this. And when I saw it was just a video of him washing his truck, and he's already got over 3,000 views in the 21 hours, I had to say something. I can't keep my mouth shut. God. Anyway, Daddy-O out. You guys have a great evening. Enjoy yourselves. Bye.